Oh wow, Philly John.
Yo, what's cooking? YouTube food vlog knows all the great spots.
YouTube food vlog, baby.
Good day, good day. Welcome to YouTube Food Vlog. Good day, good day. Welcome to YouTube Food Vlog. So, as I posted earlier, we're going to do some alternatives here. You know, we're going to check out this crab cake. We're going to do egg rolls, as you've probably seen before. But we're going to stuff this salmon with this crab meat. So right now, this is crab leg meat that we're going to use as a filler. We're going to add 2 eggs to that. That's how we do that, right there like that. Now, with that, we're going to have a pre-mixed Old Bay mix. You can buy it. It's already pre-mixed. It has a little bit of crab cracker in it, Old Bay, so you don't have to put Old Bay to that. I will be adding Worcestershire, whatever you want to call it, to this. A few dash of that in there. I will also be adding ground mustard. Some people call for mustard. I don't do mustard. I do ground mustard. So a couple of dashes of that. This is to your eye, to your flavor. So I open that up, put a couple of dashes in there. That's your ground mustard. I'm going to be using Hellmann's mayo. Calls for about a cup. As you can see, we don't do a lot of measuring, so you can do a half a cup, 2 eggs or one egg, and this is going to be your base. And some parsley. That's to add your little greens. Ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. So it's basically, that's what it is. It's Worcestershire, eggs, mayo. And as you see, I'm just stirring that around. That's my base. Now, this is your lump, no filler. Like I said, that's going to be folded in. So that's what this is for. That's so your lump doesn't get broken up. You still have whole pieces of lump in there. Like that, like so. So this is just one whole thing of lump. So we're going to have 2 purposes. We're going to make crab cake, egg rolls. We also going to stuff a salmon with that. That's 2 purposes that we're using it. But like I said, you're going to fold this mixture at this point. With your 2 eggs, it's folded. It's no filler. It's all lump. We're using your back fin as your filler. With crab leg meat, whatever you want to use as your filler. You use a little bit more mayo. Depends on how wet you want it. Basically it. Bada bing, bada bomb. Here you go. Alrighty. So this is your mixture. Like I said, you fold it to keep your lumps there. And that's how that comes out. So your lump meat is in there, 2 eggs, 1 pack of the Old Bay seasoning. I don't add any more. You can taste it if you want to. That's enough for me. Spicy enough. The oven is preheated at 360. A piece of salmon that was filleted, skin. Got this from the seafood counter at Sprouts. Crab meat is already cooked, so you don't have to cook the salmon too long. Salmon and skin ready to go. I will be putting some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb on top of it. This is salt free. That's gonna go on top of your salmon. And that's it. That's basically it. Garlic and herb, a little white pepper, ground white pepper. And if you wanted to fold this over, you can. Pin it with a pin. But that's basically it. That's going to be the crab meat that goes on top of that. And it's basically going to go in the oven like that. The rest of this meat is going to go inside the wrappers. To make crab A-rolls. And that's the basic concept right there. This is going to go in the oven, cook for about 15-20 minutes. Preheated already, ready to go. Next thing I have, we're going to set that aside. This is vegan. Macaroni and cheese. Oh no, what I'm going to do, I end up using a pan. Use half a pan. I'll give you enough to mix it. 1 box of macaroni cheese. This is cubed almond mozzarella almond cheese. Also, your cheddar and Moscow shreds from Dyer. And this is all supposed to melt. The next thing I'm going to use is a heavy whipping cream, which is also vegan. So this is a vegan mac and cheese. So here we go with our egg rolls. And wet that up, wet the edges up. And these are vegan egg rolls here with crab, vegan wrappers with so we got vegan wrappers going on with crab. So we're gonna put that right there, like that. Yeah, we're gonna make these healthy and ready to go. So bring that over like that, like that, like that, like that. We're gonna roll that. We're gonna put one of them in there like that, because you're ready to go. $380, we ready to go. 300. So I got these portobello mushrooms that we're gonna make a jerky out of. This sauce has miso in it. It's like a red sauce with some tomato base, your miso. So that's gonna go there like that. This is gonna be a vegan jerky with a coconut aminos in it. I'm gonna put smoked paprika in it. Garlic herb is gonna go in here. White pepper. Brown ginger. And this is going to marinate for 24 hours. And then we're going to cook it overnight. And that's it.
I'm so hungry, baby. What you got for me? Feed me something delicious. Mmm.